Hi everyone, my name is Chen and I'm the CEO of All Aspect System. The company specializes on main system for inspection. So what's our core technology? Our core technology is actually one common control system that is able to control to all different type of vehicle. So, and then all those vehicles can perform the same mission, which is great for in the aspect of logistics, for the maintenance and also for the training. So what is our core technology for the commercial application? Our commercial application is actually for the building inspection and also the water quality inspection. So I'll show you what it is. Well, the first on the infrastructure inspection side, we offer two different type of two products, and one is a conventional UAV, and the other one is a special UAV with a frame. And this frame is a protective frame, which is quite special. So I'll show you later the result what it's like. But first, let's look at the conventional UAV. What commercial UAV can do? The conventional UAV, what it can do is it can generate this gigantic digital map of the building. And unfortunately, I cannot show it here. But if you scan the QR code, you will see the actual size of the map. And the map is so big, so in the way that engineers are able to zoom in to the point where you want to look to see how bad the damage is, and how bad the damage is, or location of damage. However, if you scan the QR code, you have seen the picture, then you will find out the picture is pretty nice, but it's not useful, because any picture without quantification is not useful for engineering. So because of this, combined with our system, we generate another software to the picture. So what happened is that for every single inspection picture, the engineer or inspector can actually draw the line. For example, draw a line on the photo, and then the software will calculate the physical size of the line. And in our case, the steel rebar in the 7th floor, we calculated to be 0.89 centimeters, but in reality it's 0.86 centimeters. So our accuracy is our error is about 0.3 millimeter, which is very, very small. So the next one, this is a conventional one. The next one is actually the protective frame UAV. So here there are two videos I'll show you. The first video, what it shows is actually the protective frame UAV that is able to contact to the surface of the building without damaging the aircraft. And then because of this contact, you can do a lot of different type of inspection. And then the bottom video, what it shows is that it's not a protective frame UAV. So the first video I would like to show you is actually, you can see that the vehicle itself is able to fly so close to the building and then attach to the surface of the building without damaging anything. And then in the second video, it shows that it's not just attached to the surface, but also able to move along the surface. And because it have an internal lighting itself, so you can do the inspection at night. And inspected result we can get is the picture on the right here. This is a bridge pillar picture, and this picture is captured by UAV. And usually this picture, if you want to capture a picture like this, you have to use a special equipment. But we can use a UAV to capture the picture in about, let's say, 30 seconds. 30 seconds of flight, we can capture something like this. So we can actually inspect the bridge very cheaply and very quickly, and also very safely. Right, and then the next product we're going to show you is the unmanned service vehicle. This is for the water quality inspection. And again, we offer two different types. One is a smaller size boat, and the other one is heavy duty boat. And despite they are different size, but they are all able to fit into the standard SUV. So the inspector can actually transport them easily to the site. But the only difference between those two boats is the heavy duty one is able to have a payload up to 200 kilograms. So that means you can carry, let's say, whatever equipment you want to carry, and then whatever water sample you want to capture. But what do we use that for? Our system actually, here we'll show you that our system is actually in operational in Taiwan, in water restaurant in Taiwan since 2017. And because our system is so economical and also more accurate than the conventional inspection method, so we are able to generate the first 3D water pollution map of the water restaurant in Taiwan. And believe it or not, this is actually the first 3D pollution map of the water reservoir in the world. and the resolution is the resolution start from 1 meter to 1 meter or 60 meters by 60 meter, depends what kind of sensor you use. And the system itself, it can be operated 24/7. Plus, it can operate in all weather. So therefore, the cost is actually it's about a third of a conventional inspection. Right. The final product we're going to show you is actually the underwater vehicle, the ROV. This ROV is already adapted by one of the government agency in Taiwan, and this ROV is designed for doing underwater inspection of the building or a ship. And because if you look at the picture on the right here, this is actually the actual image captured from the ROV itself, and you can see that underwater there are a lot of problems of visual in underwater. Therefore, in our system on the left, you can see that we actually included 360-degree sonar system into the display. So when the user using this ROV, you can actually capture image data plus the sonar data at the same time. Therefore, if you are in the very poor visibility area, you can still inspect the building. So this is the end of my presentation, and I would like to thank you for listening. So if you have any question or any interest about our product, you can contact me through the email or telephone number, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Right, thank you very much.